I bet you know what this means. Like, it's a book, and a book you've never seen before, which means it's my book. It is the very first draft of my book. It says not for resale because we're not reselling this. It is a draft. We're gonna be talking about it today. It is pretty short compared to other ones, but it has everything inside, everything you could think of. Okay, everything about mindset. This is not just for entrepreneurship. It's both for entrepreneurs, for daily life, you know, anything. Even if you're doing a 9-to-5 job, it's good for that too. If you want to just squeeze the living hell out of the 9-to-5 to give you the most you can, that's the book for you. If you actually put what I teach you in this book in real life situations, you will be successful, like in everything, bro. This is just mindset. It's just mindset. I might make another book about like e-commerce, maybe, you know, marketing businesses and stuff like that, because I actually have one. This is the only thing you need. Not every business model is for one specific person, which is why I created this book. It has every single mindset you can need when starting a business, and it will definitely still in production probably a few days from now, maybe even a month. Who knows if I could even figure this out. I'm guessing a few days. I'm hoping, actually. All right, a few interesting things. I did get a phone held tripod, so I could just, you know, whenever I'm at Saudi. I'm not gonna grab this camera because why would I? It's kind of bulky and I have to take a whole extra thing with me. So might as well grab this because I'm gonna be recording in most places, I hope. We do have my book as well, officially draft actually. Let's read something. Okay, we're gonna turn to a random page and read the first sentence. Knowledge has little value without application. You can read every business book, watch every motivational video, and listen to every successful entrepreneur describe their journey. But if you never apply what you learn, nothing changes. And many people confuse learning with progress. Learning feels productive because it is comfortable. It does not involve risk. Nobody judges you for reading another book, but learning alone is not progress. Action creates progress. This section right here, it's a small little paragraph. Knowledge without action is just information. I do talk about this a lot. Right over here we have the 3 questions with some reflection questions, you know, on the very first chapter. This creates a certainty of where you should go. Right here, these 2 pages, a certainty of where or what direction you should take. We have a reflection exercise right here to reflect on your own life. Yeah, these are all, you know, full chapter with, you know, some way of implementing it in your life. Either reflection, action, or just some few questions that you could, you know, reflect on your life. I've officially booked a ticket for Saudi Arabia. That is the ticket. I will also have it up here if you guys didn't see the phone that well. So those are the updates for now. Stay tuned for the release of this book. I will be announcing it in Telegram and also on here, but Telegram is like the faster way. Join my Telegram and join my journey.